everyone. This morning there was a package on the front porch. So let's open up this package and see what was in it. This is a mystery package. So we're going to see what's in this mystery box. Being careful not to cut anything important. And it's a second box. Quick Start Guidebook. Very nice. Quick Start Guide. So, we'll set everything out on the table here. And now, I have two items that say, take this out first. Okay. Nice home packaging. Very well packaged. Okay. We have 5 boxes. Nice, sturdy, well-packaged boxes. And we have more boxes. Oh, I like this one. Tools and accessories. Okay. Ooh. Filament. Power motor. Controllers. Tool heads. Cables. Adapters. Ooh, that's heavy. Work platform. I'm going to set this down here. Oh. Big box. More foam and empty. All right. Okay, we're going to try to assemble this thing right here and now. So it's got a great quick start guide. Yes, we have the base. Nice heavy aluminum. This is a good base. So now we go to the toolbox. Okay, tools. Here's our feet. The other thing that I noticed in one of the videos I watched for setting this up, everything is in reclosable bags. These are really neat. And the screwdriver is in the toolbox. It's a multi-purpose tool. I'll never be able to get it all back in the toolbox the way it came out. Tools, as I read it, are all in the sleeve. And for the assembly, the tools are used for maintenance and the assembly. The unit we need is the H2.5, one into each corner. Okay. Next we get to play with the big toys. We'll take one of the linear modules. Oh, the weight of that is just beautiful. And we have to adjust them. We'll be using 2 of these. Now what it says to do is it wants these down at the same level, and it says you can just press on them. Moves very smoothly. I'd say that's exactly the same. Okay, so those 2 are done for that step. Okay, now we have the platform. That's the base, this is the platform. Okay. And we've got a lot of these screws to put in. Here, we only need 8 for each of these. Okay, and we do not tighten these yet. Just run down to where they're just touching. Okay, now we get to do twice as many. Now we take the base plate. There's 2. take a look at this and make sure it looks good. They're sitting in there nicely. The y-axis is attached. Okay, next we do the Z brackets. And for that, we tip the unit over and facing away from us. Okay, so that's the way it looks. Okay, and we use the same M4-8s, and we have to attach those up through the bottom. So that's kind of why I worked with these two tables. It's in this box. The parts layout is very well defined. Tells you where to look for everything. Right there it is. Okay. Except, let's do it like this. Okay, so these stand up like so. The wires go down through there. And stand upright. And this says do not tighten these. It's got a symbol here that says leave them a little loose. Think it's down through. All right. Now, did I do that right? Okay. So it wants me to bring this plate all the way forward by holding it here in a firm grip. Okay. And then bring these two down all the way. Now we attach our last linear module. And for this one, we want, let's just like that, one cord on the side. Like so. Keep looking at it to make sure I've got the cable on the correct side. Okay. And what I understand, oh, yes, magnetic. Very nice. Okay, and absolutely amazing. You have successfully assembled the machine body. Now just to select one function and complete the assembly. So this is the Snapmaker A350. This is the big one. We're going to have lots of fun with this. I've got to have my son teach me a little bit about CAD programs, and then we're going to get into some building. So, until next time, let's go run some trains.
Oh yeah, I've got about 1,000 feet of this track out home. About 500 feet in the backyard, another 500 out front. Yeah, when we do it, we do it. But I have since I was a kid. I joined the 58 show. When my wife and I got married, major wreck last night? Yeah, well, oh my goodness, oh, that's right, I'm not going through the tunnel. I can't, I won't be survived. Yeah, okay, Jerry was killing the twice by Ray, the big white plane jurisdiction. And next time, Ray said, Jerry,
Well, I hope you all enjoyed that. Be safe, stay healthy. We'll see you down the rails, and God bless.